Hi, I'm Ken Waldron. Thank you for joining me. This is the first of a series of 6 videos, approximately 10 minutes each, introducing game theory and its application to family law, including divorce and non-married parents. So what is the problem? The traditional family law system typically makes matters worse rather than better. Professionals working in the system intuitively know this. We try to fix it with mandatory mediation, mandatory parent education classes, special counseling programs, well-informed and well-intentioned lawyers. But these are just window dressing on a system that at its core is not people-friendly. Why is that? There's a branch of mathematics that answers that question: game theory. Following the introductory video, there are 5 videos focusing on the mindset involved in looking at family law through the lens of game theory. The first 2 videos focus on introducing game theory and defining it. The third video analyzes the traditional family law system through the lens of game theory and indeed finds some flaws. And the 4th and 5th videos introduce basic bargaining steps and principles involved in a game theory model. In these videos, we mention a number of skills. The skills are derived from game theory and are applied in the very first interview with a client all the way through the process until the production of the marital settlement agreement. These videos are not comprehensive, however, and do not provide specific case examples. They are brief introductions. For a more comprehensive understanding of the game theory bargaining model, the books Game Theory and the Transformation of Family Law and Winning Strategies in Divorce can be purchased through our publisher, Unhooked Books, or Amazon.com, or any of the large book service providers. In addition to these books, which can be used by currently practicing lawyers, visit our website for information about a package for teaching the model in law school. The package includes an instructor manual, desk copies for the instructor, and contact information. It is in these books that the important mindset and specific skills are described in detail and illustrated with real case examples. The first book focuses on the mindset and the theoretical underpinnings of the model. The second book focuses more on specific skills and steps in the bargaining process. We ask, what is the central purpose of introducing game theory into family law? This is, as my colleague, friend, and co-author, attorney Alan Korczynski puts it, the elevator speech, the 5-minute speech as to why attorneys should do this. But let's first put divorce in perspective. A wedding is not a marriage. It's the day that a legal step is taken that changes the legal status of single people into married people. The marriage is everything that happens after the wedding. Likewise, the day of a judgment of divorce is not the divorce. It's the day that a legal step is taken and the legal status of 2 people are changed from married to single. The divorce is actually everything that happens after the divorce. This has implications for the bargaining process. The purpose of applying game theory to the bargaining process is to have a good game plan for the people going through it in order to minimize the losses involved in the divorce and to maximize their gains. We call it a goal-based planning process, a cooperative process, rather than a competitive struggle. So now let's get started on the next video with the history and definition of game theory.